That's great. It's gorgeous. What's he like? But I was like, 60. And for a second there. For a second there.
Oh, pick it up, Bry! Down. 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 Come on, Tyler.
Oh, I put it there. I put it in my bag. No, I wanted to go to the my phone was like, you're going to Idaho Falls. Okay. It's an hour away. 56 minutes from here. 27 miles.